forgot how to smile, how to be happy genuinely. Minsan, napapaisip tayo kung bakit habang tanda tayo ng patanda ay lalong lumulungkot ang buhay natin. We sometimes wish to go back when we were young, where there is magical and painless life. Our life is not easy. It's full of puzzles to work on.
Dapat di ba tayo nagkatuloy doon?
Oh,
But sometimes we also need to take a break from
Yun
it.
lang, yun lang oh.